guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Bhumika and I hope you all are doing absolutely great. So today I am back with yet another video, and as you all may have read by the title, in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how you can create your own YouTube thumbnail on your phone. Like, you don't need any paid app or anything. PicsArt is the app that I use and it is very easy to use. If you don't have it, then I'll make sure to link it in the description box, so in case if you want it, you can download it. And in today's video I'll be sharing two different ideas or ways in which you can create your thumbnail using pictures. So if you're someone interested, then please keep on watching. Also, I hope you find this video helpful and interesting, and if you do, then don't forget to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel, and without any further ado, let's dive into the video.
So open the PicsArt app in your phone and click on the plus sign at the bottom, then scroll down and you will find the section collages. So select freestyle there, and once you select freestyle, you will choose the pictures from your gallery, whichever picture you want. So I choose the one that I want. Now I'll adjust it according to the ratio of YouTube thumbnail, that is 16:9. So once you are done selecting the ratio, adjust the photo according to your choice. You can move it here and there, or you can keep it wherever you want. After that, on the bottom section you can see background option. Select that, and in that you have three different categories: color, image and texture. I actually prefer image because it kind of gives a good effect to your thumbnail. So I'll be choosing this yellow colored frame image. Now once you select that, you have the option of increasing or decreasing the blurriness, so you can adjust it. Now after that, you have an add photo option, so you can add multiple images. I want two of them, so I selected them. Now you can see that there are different options, so you can like change the frame of the picture, or you can even change the structure. So I want it to be in a circular frame, so I'll be selecting that. After selecting that, you also have the option of adding the border. Whichever color you want, you can choose that, and follow the same steps for the second image as well. So now once you're done editing the picture, adjust them on the frame. So now we are almost done editing the picture. The last thing that is left is adding the title to the thumbnail. So for that, choose the text option and give whatever title you want. For example, mine is my shoe collection, so I'll type that, and after that you can select any font of your choice. The one that I liked the most is the Luckiest Guy font, so I will choose that. After that, you can add color to it, you can blend the font, you can even add strokes to it. I usually prefer adding stroke, and once you're done with that, you can even add shadow to your text. So like, there are many options in which you can choose. I usually prefer adding shadows to some of my thumbnails. For particularly this one, I don't want, so I won't do that. So after once you're done adding the title to your thumbnail, go on to the border section and select a white or black colored border. I usually prefer adding border, and that's it. This is how my thumbnail has turned out. So now on to the second thumbnail edit. For that, open the PicsArt app, and in this one I'll show you how you can change the background of your image. So select the picture of your choice. Once you're done selecting the picture, on the bottom section you can see you have the option of tools. Select tools, and in that select free crop. Once you select free crop, you can see multiple options like person, face, clothes, sky. So select person, and after selecting person, go on to the brush tool and brush the part which is not yet selected. Once you're done that, make sure you give this a time and select properly. And once you're done doing this, you can see that the background of your image will be wiped out. After that, we will add the background to the image, and for that, select the fit option from the bottom line. After selecting that, you can see there are different options like ratio, color, background, image. So first we will choose whatever, like I prefer using images, so for this one also I'll choose the image, and after that I'll crop the picture according to the ratio, that is 9:16. And now you can see there are two parts where the background is not completely seen, so use the restore brush and restore that part, and using the brush tool you can clean it, and that's it. In this way you can change the complete background of your picture. Now after changing the background, you can give the title to your thumbnail. For example, mine is Golgappa Challenge, so I'll write that, and after that I'll select the font. After selecting the fonts, I'm doing some basic editing as I told before. And after that, like if you want to add any kind of stickers to your image, you will see the option of sticker on the bottom line. Choose that and type whatever you want. Like for example, for this one I want spicy, so I will type spicy, and you can see there are multiple options. Choose any one which you like or which suits your thumbnail properly, and after that add a border to your image, and that's it, your thumbnail will be ready. This is how mine turned out.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful and interesting, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and if you have any video suggestion ideas, then please let me know in the comments. I will love to do that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.